Ever pondered the difference between equals and equals in JavaScript? The mystery ends today. Well, the mystery equals and equals in JavaScript are like two sides of the same coin, both used for comparison but with distinct behaviors. First up, let's decode the equals operator, also known as the equality operator. This operator looks at two operands and does a little magic trick called type conversion if necessary. It's like a chameleon blending into its surroundings, changing its type to fit the situation. So if you compare 5 and 5, it will return true. Even though one is a number and the other is a string, after type coercion, they're seen as the same. The same goes for 1 and true, or 0 and false. The equality operator is all about values, not types. Now let's shift gears and look at the equals operator. This one is the strict equality operator. It's like the straight A student who sticks to the rules. Compare 5 and 5 using equals and it will return false. Why? Because they're not of the same type. The strict equality operator needs both value and type to match. So 1 and true or 0 and false will also return false. It doesn't perform the chameleon act of type conversion. So you might be thinking, which one should you use? Well, it's generally safer to use equals because it doesn't do the unexpected type conversions. It ensures you're comparing apples with apples, not apples with oranges. To sum it up, equals checks for equality of values after performing a type conversion, while checks for equality of values and types without any type conversion. The latter is often the preferred choice in JavaScript to avoid any unexpected behavior thanks to type coercion. So the next time you find yourself in a JavaScript comparison conundrum, remember the chameleon and the straight A student and choose wisely. And with that, we wrap up today's enlightening journey through the world of JavaScript comparison operators. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep coding.